WIZNMIX is a unique revolutionary product that makes use of state-of-the-art technology. The 3D multi-knife, with its unique patented blades technology, cuts evenly and thoroughly at different heights in the bowl in seconds. The 3D multi-knife will chop, cut, grate, grind, mix, crush, and blend more evenly and quickly than you'd ever thought possible. The amazing patented Cyclone Bulb that doesn't exist in any other appliance whisks eggs, tamagoyaki omelets, mayonnaise, froths chocolate milk and milk for coffee latte, crushes ice for hail and cocktails, or makes refreshing ice cream. The multi-bulb, a unique accessory for whipping egg whites for meringue, whipping sweet cream, pudding, and malabi, crushing biscuits and chocolate for topping cakes. Make homemade chickpeas with a uniform texture, sauces and spreads easily. The juicer will squeeze clear, healthy juice from pomegranate, grapes, watermelon, melon, and wheatgrass. The patented exclusive Cyclone Bulb peels garlic or red-shelled peanuts in seconds. The paddle knife is incredibly versatile and perfect for kneading dough for pizza, dumplings, or cupcakes. WIZNMIX will change the way you work in the kitchen. Easy to use, easy to clean, easy to store. WIZNMIX, the perfect sous chef for your kitchen. Buy it now!